G'day guys, Jack here from Cactus Camping, here to show you how quick and easy it is to install your Cactus Vehicle Utility Light Bag on the back of your tailgate on your ute or on your spare tyre. Upon unboxing your utility light bag, you'll notice that on the back we have an integrated harness, so there's no two-piece system, it's all one piece, and we can get stuck straight into installing it on the back of our tailgate. First step to install your Vehicle Utility Light Bag is to locate the two D-ring ends. All you want to do is grab your bag and lay it down on the back of your tailgate like so. Follow these straps out the back and feed them up and under the tailgate like so. And the last step to installing your Vehicle Utility Light Bag is simply grabbing your straps and feeding them through the D-rings on the harness here. Repeat that step for both sides. Before you tighten your D-rings up, you just want to put a few considerations in. Where along the tailgate are you going? Do you want to go to over here or over here? And also, how high up on the tailgate do you want it? Do you want it sitting low as to clear this? Or do you want to set it a little bit higher like that? And I can pull on these straps and then tidy up the excess. And just like that, you've installed your own Vehicle Utility Light Bag on the back of your tailgate. And now let's go camping.
G'day folks, I'm Luca, I'm from Cactus Camping, and I'll be showing you how to install your utility light bag onto your spare tyre. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is grab the end of your bag with the D-rings and lay it over the top of your spare tyre. There's an adjustable cross strap and you just want to make sure that stays roughly in the middle of your tyre. Reach behind, grab the harness, bring it up and over, and you want to feed it through your D-rings. All the way, and then fold them back in on themselves. Nip them up just a little bit snug. Repeat the process with the other side. Once you're in this position, there's an adjustable cross strap on the underside. And you just want to make sure that when you tighten that up, that's going to be lying on the belly of the spare tyre. And hey, when you're done, grab yourself a beer and admire the work you've just done, because that's a good looking bag. And now you're ready to use it however you want. Save this for tonight, it's gonna get cold. And this. Oh, it might be real chilly. We got some more. Can I fit any more in it? A utility bag? Maybe. Hey presto.